The winner will be announced by the Chairman of the Judges, Mr. Alvin Eze.
Mahali mo, sir.
Okay, dili yapon ko pili ko. Daw may yapon po sa pilde. But anyway, for the sake of considering that the dog in between sa blue and red corner, whether by unanimous decision, blue corner, Michael Godinez of Tayaga, Caber.
Last round na siya kabawi.
Okay, palapakan natin ang mga boxers. Okay, for the second fight, rep. Okay, for the second fight, we call on Mr. Christopher Dicap to be at the red corner, while Mr. Mark Belly at the blue corner. Mark Belly is from Sapa Claver, while Mr. Christopher Dicap is from Paganito Claver. Mga listo ko din ng mga taga-Claver, pinamukli ng mga boxer,